In this particular iMac, you have a magnetic connector. I have attached the cable. This is the Mickey Mouse port, and there is an Ethernet port. It comes with Wi-Fi. Hardly you will use it, but if you need high-speed direct, you can use Ethernet cable as well. And then once you start it will say hello, hola in different languages. And ni hao, there should be namaste as well. So now it will also prompt you to switch on your mouse and keyboard. Let me switch on my keyboard as well. There is a small sliding button, the charging port, and then I switch on. Once I switch on, it should start. I put enter. You can choose the language. I'll choose the default English. In the manual website, it was auto-cleared. So now it's giving some instructions like select your country or region. I can select my country as India, then press how to set up with voiceover.
This contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Now let me click on the continue. I have written spoken language as preferred language English. Input source US keyboard. There's English for dictation also, which is available. I go to next. If I need accessibility, I can set up here, but don't need it. Now Wi-Fi connection is the next configuration. I have to choose my Wi-Fi connection and I put my password. Now we put the password. Once you put the password, it shows connecting. Now it has connected because I see in the list of my Wi-Fi networks the connection part. And it's connecting, taking time. Maybe this is first time configuration, so that's why. But definitely know from Apple the expectation is that should be fast. The Wi-Fi. Maybe it's trying to connect to the computer. Now it shows some details about data and privacy policies. You can learn more about the data and privacy policies. There are some terms and conditions. Then there is migration assistance if we want to move from some other device. But yes, I keep both devices with me, so I don't need any migration. But yeah, you can migrate from a Mac time machine backup on some hard drive or startup disk, and then you can also migrate from a Windows PC. So if your data is in your old computer and you are upgrading, then this is useful. So anything you are transferring, it should be switched on, then only the transfer will happen, which is obvious. So Mac or time capsule or disk that you are transferring is connected to the same network. It should also be connected directly to this Mac, or it should be connected to the same network. So here I have my Wi-Fi configured, which is already done. I can continue, but I enter my, yes. I'm just looking to continue. Make sure the other Mac or time capsule or disk you are transferring from is connected. But I don't need to transfer. So is there any other way to proceed? How to proceed? No, I'm stuck. The keyboard, other info, so no, there. Let me go back. Not now is what the option should be there. It is good. Now sign into my Apple. I can set up my Apple account later. This is how I can proceed. Are you sure you want to skip signing in with an Apple account? Yes. I skip this macOS software license agreement and hardware. I agree to the hardware warranty. You can create a computer account. My full name, I can put a computer account. The name of the home folder, we can keep it home. This is how it is in standard Linux. I put password, my full name, and then I can put new password. If I yes, hint is option, I can skip and continue this. Now it's creating my computer account. Fill out the following information to create your computer account. The UX designers, they like brief content, that's why they say creating account. Now enable location service, I can enable this, then I can take analytics, Apple and app improve their products and service automatically. I don't want to share all these information, so you can pick your computer is slow, get a VT report with insights. Okay. This screen time details you will get here. Here if you want we can set up time limit etc. I can do these setups later. Apple Intelligence. Writing and summarizing, you can enhance your writing, mail, message, starter, new era, Siri. This is Apple Intelligence. And book comes with Apple Intelligence. I can choose a city.
Colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
There are different preferences. We can choose
The colors of the sky fade
based on your liking.
as the stars.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night. The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
This is looking more classic.
Stars begin to shine.
I choose this because I'm used to this in my mobile and previous laptops. So I can just hit continue and we can just put some information. Let's say Siri, then you request or press and hold the microphone. There's a F5, above F5 there is a microphone key, and then Siri can be activated with this key. So I think the function F5 will activate it. So I can continue. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. These are the common commands. Siri, play some music. So my voice profile is there. Now, when I say Siri or Hey Siri, at the beginning of the request, this get it. So you can improve Siri to take and share audio recording like now touch ID, I have to put this for fingerprinting because now I have to place again. Okay, then I have to lift, place again. Give you how to take your fingerprint properly. So ask you to lift it multiple times and then it will scan the fingerprint. So you have to cover the entire set with the finger. You can see how I'm placing my finger on that pad. Ready. Says Touch ID is ready. Your finger can be used to unlock your Mac. Now you can choose the theme. There is a light theme, dark theme, water theme. Water theme is that later. Welcome to Mac. Continue. This is the first setup. What it is called first time setup. Or once you unbox your device, this is the first time user experience. The MacBook looks very standard. macOS. If I open about this Mac, Apple M4, there is 24 iMac, 16 and this is the macOS operating system 15.1. Let me open the browser. I have the Safari browser here. I can install Chrome later and I'll open YouTube to show you video experience. Searching, watching videos, type, search for Apple, see some videos here. It was an advertisement. First was this sponsored ad, and then there are some videos which is coming based on my location preferences. This is how the sound and the screen quality.
Believer site. Maybe this should be to make you read.
Flex are coming really good
This is a recent.
and different cabinet. They did good branches. This nice Steven.
And nice idea. But it's not sexy.
The really good sound and a heated room. Very nice sound experience. Much better than a laptop. So video and sound quality is really very good.
Women lift each other up.
Believe it goes through.
So yes, this how experience is currently launches performance should be good for this 10 core CPU and GPU. Thank you. This was about a review or first time setup instructions for iMac. I have also created an unboxing video previously. You can watch that first